Friends, this is our next project. Here in this project we are going to control LED using light dependent resistor. So here I am using controlling two LEDs, one blue color LED and one red color LED. Okay, so one LED will on and another LED will be off when light focus on the LDR and the reverse case. So here when you check this module, this is our LDR module. So here we have three pins. So here the first pin is VCC and the middle pin is ground, and the third pin, this one is analog input to the LDR, okay, which will coming from analog output of the Arduino pin. Okay, so here these are the three pins, VCC, ground and analog input. Okay, so here now an LED which you are going to on and off, this is our LED, is connected to 220 ohm resistor. Okay, and 220 ohm resistor is connected to negative pin of the LED, and the other end of the resistor I am going to connect to the ground pin of the Arduino. Okay, now as we have seen that VCC, ground and analog output. So now initially I am connecting VCC, the first pin VCC of the LDR module to VCC of the Arduino pin, and next the ground pin is the next pin. Okay, so I'm going to connect to the ground. So before connecting to the ground, what I'll do, so here I'll take ground pin from the Arduino, and that I'll make a reference pin on the breadboard, and the ground pin of LDR module is connected to this ground reference line. So on this row, the ground is coming from the Arduino, and through the line the ground pin is connected to ground pin of this LDR module. And next the third pin is sensor output. The sensor output pin is connected to analog input of the Arduino. Okay, so see the orange line is connected to the third pin of the LDR. So red wire is connected to VCC, black wire is connected to ground, and orange wire is connected to analog input. Okay, now so the LDR module connection with respect to the Arduino is completed, and now take the positive line. So here LED negative line is connected to resistor, and resistor other end is connected to ground of the Arduino. So this whole line is connected to ground line of the Arduino, and this line, one ground is connected to LDR, and the second another line is connected to LED through resistor, 220 ohm resistor. Okay, and next the positive line of the LED is connected to, so here I am connecting the positive line to the Arduino. Okay, see here I have connected to Arduino. Okay, so here Now after that I am going to connect this Arduino board to my laptop to get the power. See, once I give the power to Arduino board, the LDR module is activated. The red indicates the input power supply, and the green indicates that the LDR is given light. Okay, when the light is off, see, the green light is off and the blue light is on, isn't it? See, when I open the LDR, the green light is on and the blue light is off. See here. See, when I closed the circuit, the blue light is on and the green light is off. When I focused light on LDR, then green light is on, blue light is off. When I closed LDR circuit, see, the outer light, blue light is on and green light is off. So friends, here by closing on and off the LDR, I have controlled two LEDs, one green and one blue, isn't it? So when LDR is open, green is on and blue is off. When LDR is closed, then green is off and blue is on.